In this video, we are going to show you how to download a file and print it directly to your Robo C2 Smart 3D printer using an iPhone. First step is to connect your C2 to Wi-Fi as well as your iPhone or iPad to the same Wi-Fi network. Now go to a 3D marketplace in your Safari browser. Find a file you want to print, click on the file and save it to your Google Drive. Once it is saved, go to your Robo App, click on Dashboard, click on Google Drive Storage Account. Find the file you just saved, click it, and send it to your Robo C2 3D printer. It will save the file in your file library within the app. Then click on your printer, go to File Library, click on the file. It will prepare the file to print and send it directly to your Robo C2 3D printer. Monitoring will begin once the file begins printing, so you can follow along with the print status along the way. This is the world's first complete mobile 3D printing app experience. Once your print is complete, pop it off the platform and begin use.